Hello everyone, today we're looking at the 2020 Mazda Miata Grand Touring RF. This is the top of the line trim Miata. And the best thing about this Miata is that it does come with a 6-speed manual transmission. It does make the car a lot more fun to drive. It does shift very smoothly, I have to say. The gears don't feel cheap or anything, they're perfectly spaced and very synchronized. Now let's go ahead and take a quick walk around, talk about some of the specs, and then check out the interior. The exterior color we're looking at today is known as Soul Crystal Red Metallic, and you do have 18-inch alloy wheels. The Miata is powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 181 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque. It is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. The Miata has to be my second favorite sports car, besides the Honda S2000, which isn't sold anymore. Mazda has really been stepping up their reliability and quality as well as luxury. Now let's go ahead and check out the interior of this wonderful sports car. Of course, since it's a top-of-the-line trim, you do get a smart key access, keyless entry system, your door panel right here, a red part right here on the top, and leather on the bottom portions of the door panel. And inside, you do have a sport tan leather interior. Mazda did decide to put the speakers on the headrest of the seats that you could hear more clearly what is being played on the radio. Your gauges right here. I really like these gauges. And you do get a 3-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel with all your steering wheel mounted controls to interact with the screen in the middle that is shaped like a circle, and the infotainment system. An air vent right here and another air vent right here with your hazards button, engine start stop, AC controls. The knobs are a perfect size. Fully electronic top release right here with 3-stage heated seats for the driver and the passenger. SD card input, 2 USB ports, an aux jack, your gear shifter right here, 6-speed manual, as I said earlier in the video. Unfortunately, the shifter head is missing because apparently somebody stole it. I don't know why. Manual handbrake, no electronic parking brake, thank goodness. With all your infotainment system controls, a small console right here, vinyl wrapped, 2 cup holders, and your glove box. Quite small, but this is a sports car, not a GMC Yukon or anything like that, or Ford Expedition. The glove box isn't down here because obviously it's where the seats are. Garage door settings, rear view mirror, lighting controls, a thin sun visor, now let's go ahead and check out the rear cargo space. Press this button right there and the rear cargo space will open. This car does feel very low to the ground for more aerodynamics and power. So open here the cargo space. It is quite kind of small, but very deep. You can't fit large items, but it's still pretty deep to fit some things that are not like too wide or too tall. Now let's go ahead and close this. Feels very solidly made. And that concludes the review of the 2020 Mazda MX-5 Miata Grand Touring RF. Thank you so much for watching this video, and leave your car review suggestions in the comments below. Goodbye!